It was a joy getting a tour of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, as it is usually referred to. Because it is a secure facility, we were screened and given badges to wear. We gathered in the lobby, which was decorated for Christmas. A model of one of the weather monitoring satellites was hanging from the ceiling. Science on a Sphere was our first stop.
So my name is Chuck Anderson. I work at the National Centers for Environmental Information.
From 4 projectors, images of the Earth slowly spinning appeared on a white sphere. While we watched, the images changed to show such things as the number of wildfires burning on any given day, or the formation of the clouds, or the track of a tsunami. With data from NOAA's weather models, we were able to see a prediction as to whether we would have a white Christmas in Boulder, Colorado. The prediction said yes, and it was right. Next, we learned about how such things as carbon dioxide and other gases in our atmosphere are measured. A model on the wall showed how the amount of carbon dioxide spiked as a result of the Industrial Revolution and has continued to rise to its current highest level. We proceeded to the Weather Prediction Center, which is staffed around the clock so that we can learn as much as possible about our weather. Lastly, we visited the Space Weather Prediction Center, where my son Andy works. Here, the sun's activity is monitored 24 hours a day. The sun regularly releases plumes of electromagnetic material. If they come close to the Earth, they can cause geomagnetic storms with a variety of impacts on our technologically dependent society. A strong storm could burn out and close down our electrical grid, and we would not have any electricity for some time. Because of this, NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center has a direct phone line to the White House. Information about changes in space weather is needed and used by airlines, electrical grid operators, anyone using GPS, astronauts, satellite operators, and emergency planners. For example, airplanes might need to change their flight plans as a result of adverse space weather conditions. After the public tour, Andy took us on a private tour, which led to his office. During the tour, 2 umbrellas were given by the tour guide to 2 people for their insightful questions or answers. My granddaughter Emma received one of them. This was our first time to visit NOAA, where he works with space weather prediction. It was a joy to visit NOAA with Andy, Amy, and Emma.